Are your warehouse floors causing inefficiencies and safety concerns in your operations? Cracks, dust, and wear can lead to accidents and lost productivity, costing your business time and money. Our state-of-the-art concrete flooring systems are designed specifically for warehouses, providing a durable, smooth surface that withstands heavy loads and minimizes maintenance. No more dealing with dusty, unsafe floors. Our flooring not only enhances safety but also elevates your operational efficiency. Imagine a workspace where every corner of your warehouse is optimized for productivity. Our innovative concrete solutions come with anti-slip properties, ensuring safety for employees and equipment alike. They are resistant to chemicals, moisture, and temperature fluctuations, making them perfect for even the busiest environments. From increased safety to reduced maintenance costs, our flooring alternatives will transform your workspace and support your long-term goals. To know more details, contact us today to get free quotation or visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.